Welcome to the 10th day of Aban. Before we begin, give yourself a moment to arrive. Find a position that feels comfortable, sitting or lying down in a place where you will not be disturbed. Let the body settle. If you're sitting, allow your back to be supported. If you're lying down, let the ground hold you fully. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. We will begin with 3 slow counted breaths. I will count for you. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale slowly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again inhale for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Slowly in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Allow the breath to settle into its own rhythm. Now begin to notice the sounds around you, the distant sounds, the near sounds, voices, movements, the hum of life. You do not need to follow them. Simply let them pass. If thoughts begin to appear, do not stop them. Let them come and let them go. And if the mind becomes busy, return gently to the sound of your breath. Now slowly allow yourself to enter this moment. Now gently bring your awareness back. Without opening the eyes, feel the center of the body, the area above the navel, the place of balance and direction. Today is the day of Aban, the day of water, of flexibility, of emotional strength, the path of the warrior, true strength is not rigidity, it is the ability to adapt. Feel the breath moving through the center of the body, like water finding its own path. Nothing to resist, nothing to control. Now, when you're ready, we will repeat the mantra Ram together. If you can, let the sound be steady. If not, simply listen. Let the sound stabilize the center. Let it remind you that balance is movement. Today, I allow myself to change. I release the need to stay rigid. Like water that shapes the stone, I trust flexibility. I do not lose my strength when I adapt. I deepen it. My center is calm. My direction is clear. Now, slowly and gently, begin to open your eyes. Carry this balance with you as you return to your day. Today, my state is calm.